Today in this video, we will be discussing the benefits of filing taxes yourself versus hiring a professional. Just like you, many people often wonder whether filing taxes themselves or hiring a professional is better because each option has unique benefits. DIY filing can save money and provide flexibility, especially with easy-to-use software. However, complex tax situations like owning a business or dealing with multiple income sources can make a professional preparer more appealing. They offer expertise, ensure accuracy, and help maximize deductions, leaving people to weigh cost versus convenience and confidence. To help you make a more informed decision, I will be sharing 10 benefits of filing your own taxes and 10 benefits of hiring a professional preparer. So, let's get to it. Starting with the 10 benefits of filing yourself. Here are 10 key offerings of a company like TurboTax. 1. Step-by-step guidance. TurboTax offers an intuitive, step-by-step process that guides users through filing their taxes, asking questions, and using the information to fill out the appropriate forms. 2. Tax accuracy guarantees. TurboTax guarantees the accuracy of its calculations and promises to cover any IRS penalties due to its errors. 3. E-filing and fast refunds. It allows users to file electronically, speeding up the process and offering direct deposit for faster refunds. 4. Tax deductions and credit maximization. TurboTax uses algorithms to identify tax deductions and credits based on your answers, helping users maximize their refunds or reduce liabilities. 5. User-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be simple and user-friendly, with clear instructions and visual cues to guide users through the process. 6. Integration with financial accounts. It can connect to various financial accounts, automatically importing W-2s, 1099s, and other tax documents to save time and reduce errors. 7. Audit support. TurboTax provides limited audit support with higher-tiered services, helping customers understand how to respond if the IRS requests more information. 8. Mobile access. The service is available via mobile apps, allowing users to file taxes from their phone or tablet and even upload documents by taking photos of tax forms. 9. Customer support and live help. TurboTax offers access to customer service and, in some cases, allows users to consult a tax expert for help in real time for an additional fee. 10. Multiple filing options, free to paid tiers. TurboTax offers a free filing option for simple returns and various paid tiers for more complex returns, such as those involving investments, real estate, or business income. Now, let's talk about the tax preparer. Here are 10 things traditional tax preparers provide that companies like TurboTax may not. 1. Personalized financial advice. A tax preparer can offer year-round financial and tax planning tailored to your unique situation, unlike software which only focuses on tax filing. 2. Handling complex tax situations. Tax preparers excel at handling complicated tax scenarios, such as multiple sources of income, businesses, investments, or international taxes, offering more customized solutions than software algorithms. 3. In-person consultation. Traditional tax preparers offer face-to-face interaction, where clients can discuss tax matters, get answers, and receive explanations directly. 4. Representation during audits. In the event of an IRS audit, a tax preparer can represent you and manage all communications with the IRS, whereas software companies often provide only guidance. 5. Tailored business tax services. For business owners, tax preparers provide specialized services, including tax planning, bookkeeping, and advice on business tax deductions, which goes beyond what software typically offers. 6. Long-term tax strategy. A tax preparer can help develop a long-term tax strategy, including investment planning, retirement savings advice, and future tax preparation strategies. 7. Knowledge of local and state tax laws. Traditional tax preparers have more in-depth knowledge of local and state tax regulations, which can vary significantly and might not be covered adequately by national tax software. 8. Document handling and filing. Tax preparers handle all paperwork, ensuring everything is submitted correctly and on time, saving clients the hassle of managing documents themselves. 9. Customized tax deductions and credits. While software programs are based on algorithms, a tax preparer might recognize unique deductions or credits for which you qualify based on nuanced details of your personal life or business. 10. Tax amendment assistance. If a mistake is discovered in a previous year's tax filing, a tax preparer can help amend your return and manage the process, while online tax software may only provide instructions. In conclusion, as you can see, each method has distinct advantages, depending on your personal situation, complexity of finances, and comfort level with the tax process. Now, all you have to decide is which one is best for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.